Hello viewers, welcome to Ekam Academy. Today we'll discuss about Article 20 of Indian Constitution in the concept of the day series. So what is Article 20 talking about? So it is offering protection in respect of conviction in certain offences. So let us understand more in detail. So first thing, Article 20 of Indian Constitution talks about protection from conviction of certain offences. Right? So first let us understand what is the meaning of the term conviction. Conviction means when a person will be decided guilty by the court. For example, if court decides that this person have done this particular crime and he is eligible for a punishment, then we call that as conviction in the eye of law. Right? So then what happens? Under 20 clause 1, there is a provision called no ex post facto law. So what does this mean? No ex post facto law means any law cannot be applied retrospectively. Retrospectively means going back to the date. For example, in one situation, one person have committed a crime. For example, on the day of 1st October 2020, let us consider. So then, after that particular crime was done, you cannot bring a law saying that particular act, what that person have done, which was not a crime earlier, now will be a crime, because you are making a law and saying like all the crimes done after 1st May 2020 will be like considered as crimes, and that law cannot be passed in the later times. That means you cannot bring any law retrospectively going back into the time and say that this will have application from the back date. That is what simply no ex post facto law. So you cannot punish anyone by going retrospectively and making it as a crime or wrong or offense. Then 20 clause 2 talks about no double jeopardy. No double jeopardy. So what is meaning of this particular term? No double jeopardy means, it means one person cannot be punished for same offense twice. That means if you have done something wrong, one punishment once, that's it. You cannot punish the same person for the same offense twice, 2 times. That is what no double jeopardy. Then 20 clause 3. So what does this 20 clause 3 talk about? It says no self-incrimination. No self-incrimination. That means no one can be compelled to be witness against himself. No self-incrimination. You cannot compel anyone to be witness against himself. You cannot torture anyone, right? So this particular thing includes oral and documentary evidences also. But here, interestingly, you need to remember all these will apply only to criminal laws, not to the civil laws, right? So then, what about Article 20? So this will apply to citizens as well as foreigners. So to both, this will offer protection. And then we have to remember 2 articles in Indian Constitution doesn't stand suspended in whatever the situation it may be. That means in terms of emergency, any type of emergency also, these 2 articles and their enforcement cannot be suspended. And one of the article is Article 20. So we'll learn more about Article 21 in the next video. So then let's see the practice question for today. Which of the following statements about Article 20 is correct? So it prohibits retrospective criminal laws. It allows the state to impose a heavier penalty retroactively or retrospectively. It guarantees a right to be tried under military laws. It permits self-incrimination under special circumstances. So which of these feel you is the right option? Let me know in the comment section. Then today, as part of the concept of the day, we have discussed about Article 20 of Indian Constitution. What type of rights it is guaranteeing to the persons who are convicted in the particular offense is discussed in this particular video. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. All the very best.